people, I'm Bharat Acharya. Welcome to our new course on C programming. So today's lecture, I'm going to give you the first platform to start writing C programs. We're going to see how a C program works, how you write the program, how you compile it, how you execute it, how you build logic to write a program. We'll take a sample case where we'll build the whole logic using a flowchart algorithm and then see how the code is written. When you write a C program, in case you've seen any program before, you know there are a lot of formalities which have to be done. Those hash includes, those main, the int, the return, those brackets, etc. Once, that's it. Only once you need to understand what all of them are. Many people don't understand, they just mug it up. That's how we've done a lot of engineering. Is that how you want to do all of your engineering? No way. You want to understand, because these things are common in all programming languages. Understand it once for one language and then you know how it works everywhere. Plus, next time you use it in any program, others would feel that as a burden. You would have a smile on your face because you're the only one in the whole class who knows what those lines do. Alright, somebody asks you an interview, you'll ace it. So I'm going to show you exactly what every line over there does. It's there to help you. It makes your life easier. So I'm going to show you what those lines do, and I'll take a sample program and show you the basic working, the layout, the execution of a C program. Alright, now without further ado, let's begin. This whole video will be there on my website, bharatacharyaeducation.com. The link is given down below. All you need to do is click on the link, register yourself as a user, select the C programming course, subscribe and start learning. Videos are going on getting uploaded every second day, third day. Don't wait for the whole course to be uploaded, then it will become too much for you to learn. Start learning and practicing as we are doing these videos. Okay, hope to see you there. Wish you all the best. Do well. We are going ahead. Now,